Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring the incredible milestones India has achieved in medical innovation. Let's dive into. India is recognized as the global pharmaceutical leader, supplying affordable medicines and vaccines worldwide, being the largest supplier of generic medicines and producing 60% of the world's vaccines. In recent years, India has also become a hub for innovation, making breakthroughs in drug discovery and biotechnology. The development of Nafithromycin, an advanced antibiotic for drug-resistant pneumonia, showcases the country's growing impact on healthcare. It is the country's first indigenously developed antibiotic aimed at tackling antimicrobial resistance. The antibiotic Nafithromycin has been developed with the support of Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, a unit of the Department of Biotechnology, and has been brought to market under the trade name Micnuf by pharma company Wockhardt. Nafithromycin marks a historic breakthrough as the first new antibiotic in its class to be developed globally in over 30 years. This significant milestone comes at a time when antimicrobial resistance is a growing global health crisis, with few new drugs entering the pipeline. Streptococcus pneumoniae is a leading bacterial pathogen responsible for a range of illnesses, including pneumonia, meningitis, sinusitis, and otitis media. It is a significant cause of community-acquired bacterial pneumonia, particularly affecting vulnerable populations such as children, the elderly, and immunocompromised individuals. India, which bears 23% of the world's community pneumonia burden, faces challenges with existing treatments, including widespread resistance to drugs. Macrolides are antibiotics having a macrocyclic lactone ring with attached sugars including erythromycin, azithromycin, and clarithromycin, are widely used to treat pneumococcal infections. Macrolides inhibits bacterial protein synthesis by binding to the 50S ribosomal subunit. It blocks the translocation process, where the growing peptide chain moves from the acceptor A site to the peptidyl P site. This prevents the ribosome from advancing along the mRNA, halting protein synthesis and potentially causing premature termination of the peptide chain. This inhibition is bacteriostatic, meaning it prevents the bacteria from growing and multiplying, allowing the immune system to clear the infection. Macrolides are considered ideal antibiotics for managing pneumococcal infections due to several advantages. Macrolides are great antibiotics for treating Streptococcus pneumoniae, but overuse has caused bacteria to develop resistance. This happens in two main ways: ribosomal dimethylation and active drug efflux. With ribosomal dimethylation, the ERM-B gene encodes an enzyme that reduces the affinity of macrolides for their target site on the ribosome. With active drug efflux, the MEF-A gene creates a pump that pushes macrolides out of the bacterial cell, making the drug less effective. Nafithromycin is a novel lactone ketolide, an advanced generation macrolide used to treat community-acquired bacterial pneumonia. It works through the same mechanism as macrolides, inhibiting protein synthesis in bacteria. It overcomes all the macrolide resistance mechanisms in Streptococcus pneumoniae. This innovation is designed to treat community-acquired bacterial pneumonia, a severe illness caused by drug-resistant bacteria, which disproportionately affects vulnerable populations, including children and the elderly, as well as immune-compromised hosts like patients with diabetes, cancers, etc. The 3-day treatment regimen of Nafithromycin as a game-changer in addressing drug-resistant pneumonia, a condition responsible for over 2 million deaths globally each year. Remarkably, it is 10 times more effective than azithromycin and achieves comparable outcomes, as validated by clinical trials. The antibiotic has minimal gastrointestinal side effects, no significant drug interactions, and remains unaffected by food, making it a versatile option for patients. The drug is now waiting for final approval from the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization for manufacturing and public use, marking a major leap forward in India's fight against antimicrobial resistance. Thanks for watching.